Hello everyone and welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I hope that you guys are doing well. Today I'm going to share with you a package that I received from Notiq. So the team at Notiq recently reached out to me and asked me if I would like to take a look at some of their products, and I excitedly said yes. I've actually purchased from Notiq before, so I am not a stranger to the brand, and I was really excited to collaborate with them and share some of these items with you today. All right, so let's jump right in. I'm going to get this first package out of the way. One of the things that I wanted to mention, that is so probably not important to some people, but that is extremely important to me, is the packaging of these items. And let me turn this thing around. I'm going to pop in some pictures right here from when I received the box a couple of days ago, and I was just blown away by the level of packaging and attention to detail. And just, if you are looking to give a gift and you don't want to have to worry about the packaging, then this brand is for you. Their products are absolutely beautiful and superior and just classic. And I can't say enough. I'm blown away by the quality. So the first item that I have to share with you today is this vegan tech clutch. First of all, I just want to note that it comes in this beautiful dust cover, and it is just it's stunning. I know that these things might not matter, but if you're looking to store this away and making sure that it doesn't get any sort of scratches or gets covered in dust, things like that, it comes automatically with a beautiful storage cover for you. So let's go ahead and take this off. It does come with the sticker. I did already look at everything, but I kind of wanted to show you guys how it will come in the mail for you. So I got mine in the color Tuscany, and I'm so excited that I did. Look at this, it's so beautiful. And I'm so sorry about the specks of light here, but I'm near a window and it's coming through the blinds. Anyway, I got this beautiful Tuscany color. I absolutely love it. I don't know if you guys pay attention to the Pantone color of the year, but it is yellow, so I was really excited about this. Also, I wanted something that would go well with my laptop. I have a MacBook Pro, the 13-inch, and I have no doubt that that is going to fit in here. Let me grab that really quick. So here is my MacBook Pro. As you can see, even from just it sitting on the outside, it is going to fit. It is in this beautiful envelope style closure. Again, this is vegan leather, so if you're, vegan is your preference, this is definitely the way to go. I love the envelope sleeve style closure. It is great for documents and or a laptop. And I haven't even taken off the plastic off of the hardware here. That is so satisfying. So satisfying. But let's go ahead and fit the laptop in here. Oh, that's nice. Okay, that was without any sort of struggle. There it is. It feels like there's a little bit of padding in here. Obviously, it's not like a, one of those nylon tech clutches that's super padded, but this would look just super chic, walking into an office with this. I think it looks really nice. So let's go ahead and take that out so you guys can kind of get an idea of what the inside looks like. The hardware is gold, and there's kind of a peek at the inside, so that Croco material goes all the way down on the inside here, and then on the other side it's kind of like this softer finish right here. Now if you flip it over to the back side, it does have a full envelope flap back here. That would be great if you need to just kind of hold on to some documents, some file folders, just some additional things that you will need. That will fit nicely back here. And then of course it has the little Notiq logo down at the bottom of the tech clutch, which is just really just, I want you guys to really see the texture, how it is embossed on this material, and it is just well done. I would have had no clue that it is vegan unless I had looked up the specifications on the website. So now let's talk about pricing. This is pricey, but I really think that the quality is where it is at, and it is priced appropriately. The regular price for this vegan tech clutch is $125, but at the time of me filming this, it is on sale for $95. I do have a coupon code now with Notiq, and that code is Julie10, and I'll make sure to put that in the screen as well as down in the description. I don't know if you can use it on items that are on sale, but I do know that currently the tech clutches are on sale. Now, one of the great things about this vegan style leather clutch is that it is very easy to clean. It is also water resistant, but you can easily wipe it down with like a damp cloth if you get any marks or anything on it, and get it like brand new all over again. The closure is magnetic, so while it does snap, it's actually just going to like close itself. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's shut, and it just kind of snaps all by itself. So you don't have to sit there and press it closed or do anything like that, which is really, really nice. And again, this color is just stunning. It does come in a variety of other colors, and I have to tell you, there are two others that I'm probably going to get, and that is the Kelly Croco Vegan Clutch and the Seafoam Croco Vegan Clutch. Both of those colors are close contenders for being a favorite of mine, along with this Tuscany Yellow, which is again just gorgeous. Now, I also wanted to grab my 12-inch iPad Pro and just show you guys how that fits as well, in case that is the tech that you have. I do have a case on mine. It is not a very thick or bulky case, and of course that fits very nicely as well. But I will say this much, it is a little bit, let's see if it'll close. So the cover is making it difficult to close. I'm kind of wondering if I take the cover off, because it does say on the description of the website, like even for your laptop, not to have a cover on the laptop for it to close. So let's go ahead, look at all those Pinterest notifications. Let's take the cover off and see how that fits. I very rarely take the cover off of my stuff. So let's see. Oh, that might do the trick. Yep, that does the trick. So without a cover, it will fit just fine. And you saw my cover wasn't even that bulky, but it does kind of get in the way of it closing. But again, I like the slim profile of this tech clutch. It's not going to be too bulky if you're putting it in a backpack or a really nice work bag. It's going to be perfect for you. So the next item that I got is just, you guys, I'm so freaking excited. And I'm going to compare some other covers to it. Not to say that one is better than the other, but to kind of give you guys an idea of the differences in case some of those specifications really matter to you, because I know that they matter to me, so I want to share those with you guys as well. So the other item that I received from Notiq is their jet black Saffiano cover, and it is a ringless cover to go with my half letter discs. I don't even know what to tell you guys. This thing is stunning. I took it out of the package and I was just like, wow, 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 wow. The quality blew me away. And here's the thing. Here's the other cover that I have from Notiq. So I knew that the quality was there. I have the Bisque Quilted cover. Again, another stunning cover. But this one is just, it has its own differences to it, and I'm glad that I was able to get my hands on a Saffiano cover. It is absolutely gorgeous. My friend Katie over at KDK Plans also has this cover, and I just love what she does with it. It's styled so beautifully. I'm glad I have two different options for my discs now. So like all of the other Notiq items, it does come with this beautiful dust bag for you to store your cover in when you're done using it. Now, the retail price of this cover is $125. Again, I realize that that might be expensive, but when you consider that there are some covers out there that are upwards of $600, $700, this is not a lot. And for the quality, you're truly getting what you pay for. And again, I will leave my coupon code down in the description for you guys if you are interested. So the hardware is rose gold on here, but even I have to admit, let's take this little piece of plastic off of here. That is, oh my gosh, again, so satisfying. Even I have to admit, it is gorgeous with this black cover. I mean, you can feel the quality in your hands from the second you touch this cover. So again, this cover is ringless, so it is made for your disc-bound systems, or if you have a notebook that would fit in here, then that would work as well. Now, if you are using discs, you can use up to 1.5-inch discs with this cover. Now, the thing that I really love about this cover is the pocket configuration. You get a ton of pockets with this planner. So you have a large envelope kind of folder sleeve here, and then a large pocket right here, and then you get 3 additional card slots right here, although they're kind of bigger than cards. This is more of your card slots over here, and you get 8 of those card slots there, along with another pocket down here and another pocket back here. So there is a lot of storage for you. And again, you have the Notiq branding stamped right there in rose gold as well. Now, one of the things that I do love is that this agenda does come with a pen loop, and I like the placement of the pen loop. It's kind of hidden by the strap closure right there, and I think it's really, really nice. And I like that it's finished with the stitching along the top and the bottom. To me, it just makes it feel a little bit more durable. Let's see what pens fit. You guys know I love my Sharpie S Gel pens, so let's grab some of the pens that I use and see how they fit in there. Because if you're a planner girl like me, those things are very important. A pen loop that doesn't fit your pens is kind of useless. So I went ahead and grabbed 3 of the pens that I'm using the most these days, and that's the Sharpie S Gel, this Cocuyo, I think it says it's ballpoint, but it's actually gel, and that's from Cloth and Paper, and then this Uniball Signo. So I know that this is going to be a challenge with the Sharpie S Gel simply because it has a rubber grip. So, oh my God, it just slid right in there. It just slid right in there. Oh, oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm so freaking happy. Okay, I know that the rest are gonna fit just fine because they don't have the large pen grips at the bottom, so I know that that's not gonna be an issue, but I'm so excited that my Sharpie S Gel fits because that is like my #1 favorite pen right now. All right, now let's see how my discs are going to fit in this agenda. So I have some massive updating to do in this agenda, so I will be sure to film a separate video for you as I get my disc system set up for 2021. But for now, we're just gonna kind of slide in there the current system that I have. Oh my God, oh my God. So, one of the things that I really want to point out to you guys is the profile of this Notiq agenda. So as you can see, my tabs kind of go all the way to the edge, and I think that's why they tell you to limit your discs to 1.5. I think the current discs that I'm using are 1.25 discs, but you can go all the way up to 1.5. So let me show you how it looks closed. There's from the top, there is from the side, and then to kind of give you an additional bottom view there so that you can see. Let's put the pen in there. I feel like these are all of the things that planner people would ask to see. So let's put the pen in there. It's not affecting my tabs at all, which is great. Very excited about that. And I love this. Let me show you guys the differences though between the Louis Vuitton agenda, the Cloth and Paper agenda cover, and this one from Notiq, and you will see what I mean about the profile being a lot slimmer with this cover. So here is obviously the Notiq and then the Cloth and Paper agenda. So look at the difference. There is a significant difference in the profile, like the width in these agendas. It's almost like maybe 1/2 inch, but it's enough to make a difference to me. It almost felt like in the Cloth and Paper agenda, maybe my discs were being kind of swallowed by this cover. I love this cover, do not get me wrong. It is staying in my collection. It is not going anywhere, but I really like the profile of this one a lot. It does remind me a lot of the Louis Vuitton desk agenda. However, we all know the Louis Vuitton desk agenda doesn't even come with a pen loop, doesn't come with a strap. So this one is actually almost similar in width, but look at this, you guys. It is shorter. I hope that this view is making sense. I'm trying to kind of get them flush and then show you guys. It is a shorter profile. So I feel like you're getting a little bit more protection for your inserts from top to bottom, whereas this is really like a very, 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 very overpriced piece of canvas. Coated canvas. I'm not gonna lie, like this was kind of a gift to myself for reaching some milestones in my business. I've already talked about that before, but I do like this. This isn't going anywhere either. This is a very beautiful piece and probably the only piece I will ever own from Louis Vuitton, but if I honestly had to choose between all of these, I would definitely choose the Notiq because it just hits all of the marks for me as far as what I want in an agenda. Another one of the things that I want to point out is that orders over $100 from Notiq automatically qualify for free shipping, which is very awesome. And then what I love are the little touches that you get from Notiq. So you get this card with their branding on it that just tells you a little bit about their mission. And it also included a nice little Christmas card. But when I ordered my Bisque cover, there was a note from the founder in that order as well. So this one was just a very nice thank you note for our collaboration for this video. So I'm very thankful for that. And then the same with my Bisque order, I got this really, really beautiful Notiq notepad with their logo on it as well. And it came in this gorgeous vellum envelope that I save all of them because I'm just like that. And I'm like, I can find a use for this. I know that I can. All right, so that is everything that I received from Notiq. If you guys have any questions about these items, please feel free to ask down below in the comments. I really love these products. Without a doubt, whether these items were sent to me or not, I would buy these items myself. And like I said, there are definitely some other items that I am going to purchase from them. Again, I will be sure to leave my coupon code down below, either in the comments, the description, over here on the screen, so that you guys can save some money as well. I think that while these items might seem on the expensive range, I have seen items that cost more and the quality isn't quite there. You are definitely getting what you pay for with Notiq. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you're already subscribed, make sure that you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. I am posting videos every single day up until Christmas for the month of December for Vlogmas. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you in tomorrow's video.